Good morning, everybody. We are going to do our week 2 handwriting assignment. Okay, this assignment, remember, is due next Wednesday. Okay, so today's Thursday, and I always give you a week to get this assignment done. But I want to show you how you form the strokes and the letters and the words that go along with week 2. So you need to make sure that you have a copy of the week 2 assignment, and you need a copy of the handwriting paper. Remember that you want the margin to go down the left side of the handwriting paper. Your pencil, remember, needs to be held correctly. Make your L, your backwards L if you are right-handed, and your L this way if you're left-handed. The pencil goes between the thumb and the index finger, and these fingers roll under. If you are a righty like I am, make your backwards L, and these fingers roll under. Okay, so let's take a look at the week 2 assignment sheet. Remember to sit up straight and hold that pencil correctly, and then watch the lines on the handwriting paper. Okay, you have those tips of the week on your week 2 assignment sheet. Then take a look at the practice. Number 1 says to draw 2 lines of short over strokes and 2 lines of tall over. Now, those of you who remember the original version of the Karate Kid probably remember the whole lesson about wax on and wax off. An overstroke is kind of like a wax on stroke. If it's a short overstroke, you start at the bottom line and you're going to curve up to the middle line. And you're going to do 2 lines all the way to the end of that handwriting sheet of short overstrokes. A tall overstroke starts at the bottom line, and it's a curve up to the top line. You will do 2 lines of tall overstrokes. Number 2 says to draw 2 lines of short understrokes and 2 lines of tall understrokes. Now, this is a review of what you did last week. So, start at the bottom line, and a short under is a curve up to the middle line. And you're going to do 2 lines of short under. If it's a tall under, you start at the bottom line, and it's a curve up to the top line. And you'll do 2 lines of tall under as well. So that takes care of numbers 1 and 2. You now have 3 letters that you are going to practice. As number 3 says, you will write 2 lines of each letter, H, K, and P. And H starts with a tall under, over tall slant down, a short over, a short slant, and a short under. Remember to end at the middle line, so watch that again. Tall under, over tall slant down, short over, short slant, short under. 2 lines of H. A K is a letter that has, or can be broken down into strokes, but you also have to draw this a little bit. You start with your tall under, over tall slant, just like you did with the H. You come over with your short over, but then you come around, and then you do your short under. So this part has to kind of be drawn. Tall under, over tall slant, over, around, and then a short under back to the middle line. And you will do 2 lines of the lowercase k. The last letter is the lowercase p. Now, P is a letter that drops below the bottom line. We do a short under, tall slant down, over around, and then a short under back. It does not matter to me if you leave a loop here or if you retrace. So it could also look this way. That's your preference. You can choose which way. I just want you to be consistent with whatever you do. Do 2 lines of a lowercase p. Be careful how low you bring this line. It should not touch the top of the next line. Finally, number 4 says to write 2 lines of each word, and there are 4 words: tell, hill, kite, and put. So we have tell, which is T-E-L-L. You practiced all of those letters last week. Do 2 lines of the word tell. Then you have hill, H-I-L-L. You will do 2 lines of the word hill. Kite is K-I-T-E, and you will do 2 lines of kite. The last word is put, P-U-T. Do you remember last week I showed you that this was the letter U? Now you can see this is not a W because I did not end at the middle line. So this ending stroke becomes the beginning stroke of your T. So let's take a look. We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 lines. You will not fill up the whole page of handwriting paper this week. You should end up with 4 blank lines. So this assignment needs to be completed and then email it to me by next Wednesday. Okay, so I hope this helps. As a review, you have short over. Remember, wax on, that's the motion that you're making with your hand. You have short over, tall over, short under, and tall under. Then you have the letter H, K, and P, and the words tell, hill, kite, and put. Okay, do a great job.